Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka jelang jongga Dorbar Iktiar Paidbah bala pelong da Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council ka bala long haka khatpraterik ukala lingkon arjar arpusan kalaya kerenru halor ka jingsha Ngop jongki Samla lut ki badang khedang san hau Drok ha kani ke jelang lamiru kasur ba ki shnong ki thau bat ki kinhun ba pher ki dei bani khunting e yo Drok ubala te marau ye ki babun ki khun Samla Uba Erwin ki sutenga habakaran hakani ki jelang ula penpau baka jingjalai jong udrong kalanang jorba hakini kisi bat la idon kam ban shimrai ban yakun yoniu nongshun da ka jetare lang da ki rong bakur ki nong yalam shnong ki senggentai ki seng Samla bat ka jaj ban riu barokawai
Hangni paradok persam ke isu kawai ka isu ka tameni ka ba Hakasngi ka bagi yakendu, you governor. On the day we met you, sir, you raised the issue of drug problem. You raised the issue of the danger to our society, to the danger to our youths, to the danger to the whole of Meghalaya. Because of the fact that this unseen, hidden, and malicious problem is going into the deep veins of our society. And if we do not tackle it, sir, like you aspire, we will be nowhere. The state will be destroyed. Therefore, la onge people ba bakane kaching ma kabadan manta khamtam kaching jalai udrak sakalai saudau. Manta kasni ini ban ya kajuban lak kajongi bangin yale persaiku. Nagayin kasem hagasnong katao haka hima barhapo kajalag. We are fortunate that we have here our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, who was himself one of the CMs, one of the Chief Executive members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Sir, I thank you because it is due to your initiative also that these bills have become acts. It is your compassion, it is your understanding, it is your farsightedness that these have become bills. These bills have become acts. It is also our commitment today that there should be, in fact, an understanding, a deep understanding between the autonomous district councils and the state government. Because without this understanding, there will be mistakes made. We need to defend our land. We need to preserve our land. Kakendau kasyapro kadai kabangi donkam, ban penek pensa, bat kadai hangi ba, la kumno ro ni habhi ban ai, kacing itu ya kata kacing tibriuk ke sarkar manakani, so ya kata ke section 34, hapo kata ke Meghalaya State Promotion Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act. Kekendon ay keba iman la kumno kia bakla bentak ke kekendon ay keba ongba hakmat kanikaan kan yap kalan transfer act kan yap kiri minister ada yang ibu chief minister ong nilaweng no kan yang kalan transfer act kan yang kian jangka autonomous district council kampam ki jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Lahaban ay kumlero, iba titas kay. Namarong snam arpu way. Nagapor bagirong siyam. During the time of Mr. Titas Kai, when he was CM, he brought in to law a very important act. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District, Regulation and Administration of Land Act. In this act, the land tenure system of the Khasi Jagtias within the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District is protected, is recognized. And it is this act, in fact, that the state government should take cognizance of and work together with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council the Changi Hills Autonomous District Council, the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council within their land acts to bring in development, to bring in industrialization. Finally, because CM mulaong ina upay patusam naman arpotang sa minute nakarpa niya bangin panak sa ya kamansayam sa Italy that we have to stand united, that we are to defend the foundations of a matrilineal society. Bangin niya dahil kacay berlew ajak ni. Kapadan kita kibakwa pan penduduk pan ajak ka ni ajak mereka. Kapadan kita bakwa pan marah di anjala. Kapadan kita kibakwa pun ya kita ki culture ya kita ki rukam im ki berap khala ini. Kadai kapur ini mata kumpi rangwakur kantam ki rangwakur kerpa ini. Hapo kani ka amendment of the district council Kasil Satan Mas District Council mata ki ay kapori pi menteri tray hok bishar hok ya dai ki baduk ki bastam kata kani ki kerpa semua. Ya Changi Hills District Council marhangi ki danyo President Bai jangka Dorbar ki hekur uma perkat salah kira ya le penong ya Changi Hills Changi Hills Autonomous District Council to pelong ano bagi orang bakur di jongiru apa jangka kimyo ya baju kabor dan bok menangani kelek dengan delegation namarnya di unang aibor jangki kia kan lu usia umat tombor siwat udah aik kular ba dalam lak pandai dekat anju ai dekat setiap orang.